Hey guys, welcome back. Quick question for you. How much did you learn about money in school? If you're like most people, probably not much. In Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki argues that traditional education doesn't teach us what we really need to know about money. Let's talk about why financial education is the missing piece in most of our lives. So, what exactly is financial education? It's not about learning how to balance a checkbook or stick to a budget. Financial education is understanding how money works, how to make it work for you, and how to grow it over time. It's about knowing how to invest, manage debt, and create assets that generate income. Think about it. School teaches you how to get a job, but it doesn't teach you how to make money work for you. Financial education teaches you how to grow wealth through investments, starting a business, and leveraging your time and money. The rich understand that without financial education, you'll always be stuck in the rat race, working hard just to pay bills. The wealthiest people are constantly learning about money, whether it's through books, courses, mentors, or personal experience. They understand that money is a tool, and the more educated you are about how to use it, the more wealth you can build. I'm curious, do you feel like you've had enough financial education in your life, or do you think it's something you'd like to learn more about? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Now that we know why financial education is so important, in our next video, we'll be discussing a key concept from the book, the difference between assets and liabilities. Trust me, this is a game changer. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss it.